Greetings from Team GLMS. Today we shall learn how to use Microsoft Planner. This is a basic planner demo training. We're just going to use about some features and functionalities that are covered under Microsoft Planner. So what is Microsoft Planner? It is a project planning and portfolio planning tool developed by Microsoft. It comes under the Office 365 suite of so many other tools and products that Microsoft has developed to make things easy for people to plan their projects and portfolios easily. This training is being facilitated by Team GLMS. Who is GLMS? So, who are we? We are a Microsoft partner and we specialize in professional services in consulting, in EPM, project management, business analysis, scheduling services. We also have a super development team and we develop customized and specific customer centric tools for project management. One such product is the Connect Plans 360. Later in this training, I shall also cover Connect Plans 360 for you. Once we develop products and a lot of customers who use our products, we train them into using the products. Not only that, we also extend support for the products that we've developed and solution as well. We also train for Microsoft products, like one such training is the planner demo that we are doing today. And we offer a complete set of services and products for implementing an enterprise portfolio and project management solution within your business. GLMS has consultants certified in the latest versions of project solutions, and there are a lot of clients that I would like to talk about and the topics that we shall cover today. First of all, why should one use Microsoft Planner? So there are a few reasons on why one should use Microsoft Planner. Here are a few benefits. It allows you to manage all your tasks at your fingertips. Also easy to set your deadlines the way you want to. Organizing and managing your tasks is very simple. Visual productivity enhancements are there. Seamless team collaboration. So you can basically collaborate with teams wherever in remote setups or in office setups. It does not really depend on your geography, and which is why all your geographical constraints are taken away because of using the planner. There's good data synchronization. Access your plans anywhere at any time, which means there is a planner app that you can install. And once you have your Office 365 credentials, you can use them and view and access all your plans on the go. Now, that is why it is very, very easy for people to use Microsoft Planner to plan all their projects and all their portfolios. So, just straight away getting started into the Microsoft Planner. How to use the planner, we will cover that today. In the planner, you can easily create and delete add tasks. You can create and delete add plans. You can plan your own day, all the tasks for that particular day. How to manage these tasks, like the deadlines, the priorities, the people assigned to it, and then various views in the planner will also be covered today. And there are many customizations that Microsoft Planner offers. We shall also touch upon those. There is Copilot, which is part of which is a wonderful tool again developed by Microsoft. It's an AI tool and it is a part of the Microsoft Planner with premium features. So we shall touch upon that and also see a little bit of comparison between the basic and the premium features with Microsoft Planner. So if you have any questions, you can post them down in the comments. We shall now straight away get into the planner. You can use your Office 365 credentials and log into Microsoft. Once you log in, you can see all the tools that are available under 365 apps. Planner is one such app. Clicking on Planner will land you onto the Planner dashboard page. Various things that are seen on the dashboard are the recent plans that you would have opened up in the last few days. And then there are shared plans, the plans that are shared with you. In this tab, there are personal plans, the plans that are personal to you. And then there are pinned plans, the ones that are pinned, which will always be visible on the left-hand side under the pinned section. When you click on My Day, all the tasks for this particular day will be visible to you over here. Very easy to actually add any task to My Day. I will later on cover that as well. As you can see, these are the tasks that are there for today. And it also shows you in a very nice bar line how many tasks are completed and how many tasks are still pending. It tells you the status, it tells you the priority and the due date for those plans. Along with that, those tasks belong to certain projects. It also tells you the names of those projects. Now let's go to my tasks. These are all your tasks, as we can see here. When you click on all tasks, you see all the tasks that are assigned to you. Under private, you will see only the private tasks, and only those people who you choose will be able to see these private tasks as well. Now let's go to assign to me. If somebody has created a task or a plan and you're a part of that plan, then those tasks will be seen here. And then there is flagged emails. So let us say something is flagged and it is assigned to you. You have assigned it to someone, you will see it here. Let's go to my plans. My plans is where all the plans are visible here, like we saw earlier. Now just clicking on the plan that you want to single click on the plan. If you want to view it, it will just open up the plan, and there are various views for plans as well. This is a simple basic grid view where you can see the name, you can see who are assigned to that particular task in that plan, the start date, the finish date, the duration number of days, the bucket in which each task belongs. It also shows your progress bar and the percentage along with the priority. And of course, it is customizable. So you can easily add a column here to whatever you want to accredit to this particular plan or these particular tasks. Now, the next view is a board view, which is also a very nice and visually beautiful view. As you can see over here, all the buckets are beautifully categorized and all the tasks are also easily and nicely organized under each bucket. Many customizations are available over here, which I will also cover later. But for now, let's look into these buckets. Each bucket is customizable. You can change the name of the label for that bucket by just clicking there, like you can see here. And the moment you click out, that particular bucket has been renamed. If you want to move buckets from one side to the other, from left to right, you just have to simply touch upon the bucket and drag it. When you drag it, it goes back to the place that you wanted it to be in. Okay, now these are buckets. Obviously, in every plan, you might have to keep adding and removing buckets based on the progress in that plan. Now, let us say you want to remove or delete this bucket. You just simply have to click on the three ellipses. There are three options. Either you rename it. This is the second way of renaming. I earlier showed you one already. You can delete it from here. Or if you want to move to the right, because this is the extreme left, it only shows you move to right. Let us say you go to this bucket. It will show you both move to right and left. This is one way of doing it. You can simply drag and drop it as well. See, this is also very easy. Now that's about buckets. Let's say you want to add a new bucket. You go to the extreme right corner, scroll there, and you'll see an add bucket button. Click on it, and you can enter the name of the bucket. Let us say future plan, future tasks. And then you click out, the bucket has been added. So simple. Now, if you want to add the tasks to this bucket, you just simply go ahead and click on add task and just name the task. The task gets added here just by saying add task. If you want to later on edit it, then you can just click on it. It opens up. Let's say you want to assign it to someone. So you can easily click on this button here and assign it to whoever you wish to. It opens up a name of all the available resources under that particular plan. You want to add a note just to make the priorities or whatever is important about it. You can make a note here. There are various labels you can add from here. Just click on the label and you can see. So just attach the labels. Very simple, right? And once that is done, there are many other things like start date. So let's say the task is in the future. So it's starting somewhere in 2025 in the month of March. So you can set it from here and you can also set a finish date based on an estimate timeline that you have about that project. So let us say it's going to get over in May. So just choose the date over there. It will tell you the duration auto calculated. Here is the percentage complete. You can manually enter it or it will also calculate once the task starts. Now, if you want to change the bucket, let us say you can just simply click on the drop down arrow and select the bucket where you want to put it. And the task shall be moved to that bucket. Here is where you can set the priorities from all the available priority list. And then if there are sprints assigned to that particular task or it is under a particular sprint, you can use this and put it up in that sprint. Once you just click the X button onto the right side, that bucket has been added. Now let us learn how to customize and color this bucket. Very simple. There's a dropper color picker button here. Click on it. Various options to color are available here. Select whichever you want and your bucket shall be colored. That's about the buckets. Now let's learn about tasks. Each bucket in this plan has so many tasks as you can see. Add task is very simple. Like you can see over here, every bucket has an add task button. Just by clicking, we already saw how under a new bucket we added a task. Similarly, under each bucket, you can just add a task just by clicking this. Put all the details that are required in that task. And then clicking on add task will allow you to add the task. Okay, that's simple, right? Now let us move on to deleting a task. Let us say if you want to delete a task. Just click on the three ellipses and you will see delete task. You will see copy the link to that task if you want to share it. You will see assign the task. Whoever are the resources that need to be assigned here. You will also see assign the label. Various labels are available. These are also customizable. I will later cover that. And you can easily put the labels from here only. These are the options available with the tasks. Now let us say the task has been completed. What are you going to do? How are you going to remove it? You just simply click on the circle over here and say mark the task as complete, and the task shall be completed. It will move down to all the completed tasks as you can see over here under your completed tasks. Okay, so that's about tasks. Let us say that from to do, you want to move a task to in progress. So you just simply click on the task, drag it and drop it into the next bucket. It is as easy as that. Simply moving the task from here to there, just by dragging it allows you to change their buckets. It's very, very easy. All right, so that's about the tasks. Now customization in tasks and labels. Let us say we are going to open up the task, share performance review notes, open the task. Now that is how you can change the name over here, notes and feedback. If you forgot and if you later on want to add it, you can add it from here. Now assigning the resources, as I've already showed you, is very easy. Just click on this resource button and all the available resources are here. What if you want to add a new resource who's not available here? I will later on show you how to do that as well. Other things we've already covered, how to add the label and all that effort calculated. There's also something called as a checklist. It allows you to add checks over here. So let us say task 1 and then let us say task 2. Based on whatever the names of those tasks are, you can just keep adding the checklist. Once it's done, you can check the circle here and complete it or mark it complete. Or if you don't want it anymore, you can just use the delete button and delete the checklist items. It's as simple as that. Now let us say you have a dependency. This task is already not depending on anyone. In case there is a dependency, it will be visible over here. If there are attachments that you want to add to that particular task, an Excel file or a photo or somebody's performance review, Word document, you can use this attach button and you can either from your computer or from your Microsoft Teams file. So you can even use a URL or a link to simply attach the file over here. Okay, so that's how you can simply go ahead and attach a file. Now connect to goals. Let us say you already have some goals for this task. Simply by clicking on connect, it will allow you to see all the goals, and selecting the goal, it will allow you to attach that particular goal. If you don't have one and you want to create, if you have one, but you want one more goal to be attached, you can simply create a new goal from here as it is prompting, or you can just go ahead and create a new goal from elsewhere, which I will show you later. So this is about a task and its customizations and all the various features that are available under the task. Now let us say add this plan to a channel. Now what does that mean? In every organization, there will be various channels. Like there are some channels that will have only group members that are in the management team, while there are some channels which will have only group members which are in the developers or the coders team. And there's another department that handles HR activities. So if you want to assign these particular tasks only visible to those categories of team members, then you just need to attach that channel over here. How to create a channel? That's very easy. My partner will cover that for you. It's very easy. So in already existing system with Microsoft, so many channels will be there. You can just simply add this plan to that particular channel from here. All right. So if you want to delete the task, this is one more way to do it. Just use the ellipsis button, and if you want to copy the link to this task, maybe you want to share that link in Teams chat, you can just copy it from here. Or you want to email the link to someone, you can use it from here. Closing the task is very simple. Just close it out from here. So that's what we've seen about tasks. Now let us learn about labels. So there are so many labels. No, like when you click on the labels, they get minimized. When you click again, they'll get maximized. Let's say you want to change the names to the labels. You have to simply open the task, go to the label name, and it will allow you to edit. Let us say you want to edit this one. You can simply edit from here. The task will be changed. If you want to even change the color, a label color, or you want to add a new label over here, so many options are already available. As you can see, I've only used a few labels which are appropriate for this project. If you want to keep on creating more, there are various options for colors available based on your choice. However you want to customize it, you can just simply use it. Let's say cranberry, and now I want to change the name. So I just remove it, and I can say HR priority task. Okay, so that's the label that will turn cranberry will turn into HR priority task, and now this can be attached to any task easily. Let us say we've attached it to this one. You want to attach it to India leave policy, this task. Click on the task, click on the labels, and you will see it right here. And close it out. It has been saved. It's so very simple to use tasks and manage your tasks. We understand as project managers or as a part of any organization in management, it's very difficult to remember so many tasks every day, which is why planner comes in very handy. It helps you to manage your tasks so seamlessly. Now, sometimes you might need to integrate these tasks with external products or some external PM tools like project management tools. How to do that? So we have developed, my team of developers and coders have developed a wonderful product called Connect Plans 360, which I told you in the beginning. And that will actually help you to integrate all your projects and plans in one platform. So what all does it do? See, Microsoft Planner plus Project PPM solution that we offer, the Connect Plans 360, will not only help you to enhance and extend the capabilities of the Microsoft Planner and the Planner Premium featured one. It will also help you to integrate with Jira, with Microsoft Teams. It will also help you for cost management, efficiency, better time tracking. Actually, also helps in resource planning and resource utilization, resource allocation, cost prediction as well. So this is a one of a kind of product that will really help you to integrate all the tools together and connect all your plans in one place, giving you a bird's eye view of all the plans and projects. So it's one of the best PPM tools that we have seen in the market. It has come with an expertise of 20 to 25 years of experience, put together with all of our team of expert project management leadership people. Now let us go back into one more thing. So if you want to learn more about Connect Plans 360, and if you want to, let us say, get a free demo, you can always write back to us and we will schedule one for you. There are a lot of benefits apart from the ones that I showed you about Connect Plans 360. It also has very nice features. It is completely customizable and it is tailored to suit all your requirements for any project and portfolio management that you need in any domain. I can definitely share more about this. Now let's move on to how to create a plan. That is also one thing that we need to learn under Planner, right? So now, again, Microsoft Planner is very, very user friendly and it's extremely simple to create a plan. And there's a button on the bottom left corner that you can use. If you click on new plan, it will give you options on either you want to create a basic or a premium plan. Under Planner Premium or the premium featured planner, which comes only with premium features. Of course, the license cost is different. We shall cover it later. There are so many templates that are only available for premium users. Let us say you want to do a commercial construction project. This is an already set template. You simply select the template. And as you can see, so many tasks are already there, key benefits, everything is already customized for this particular project plan. And it only comes with premium. What you have to do, you don't have to create any tasks, nothing. You just simply have to click on use this template. Now it's going to ask you if you want to rename it. Let us say you want to customize it. So commercial construction GLMS is what I want to say. Do you want to add it to your pin tasks? We earlier saw about the pin tasks. Just use the checkbox here. It will come to your pin task. If you want to add a group of members, if you use the drop down arrow button, you can see all the member groups that are available here for resources. You can click on any one. And then once you click on create, it takes a few moments, of course, but your plan shall be created using automation. So this is how one of the easiest ways that premium features comes with, helps you to create a plan. As you can see, your plan has already been created, and this is also customizable. In the grid view, you can see how it has also given you suggested the number of days and the sprints per plan and per task. If you go to the board view, it's even more better. You can see all of these buckets and you can see the priorities, you can see the tasks. Now in the timeline view, it will show you nice a very nice view like a Gantt chart of the timeline for that particular project plan. If you go to the charts view, it's going to show you all the charts, the statuses, the buckets and effort, all that in the chart. There are many, many views. You can just use the arrow button to go ahead and see all of them. It's very nice. And then there is a people view. So what each, based on who is assigned which task and who are the people who are going to be working on that task, you will see like right now, this is all the tasks are unassigned because it has just been created with AI. Now you have to assign these tasks to people, and then you can see people-based tasks over here. Let me show you in another plan. Let us say plan Aurora. And now let us go ahead. 1 minute, I will just go to my plans. We'll use this employee engagement plan. Now let's go to people view. Where you can see like all the tasks that are assigned to Hetal, which is me. The tasks that are not assigned and need to be assigned will be under one bucket. And then based on the resource names, basically you can see all the tasks as you see over here, which is so nice. Of course, there are other views. There's goals. So based on whichever task have goals will come up here. And finally, assignment. So based on assignments also, you will see the tasks over here in a grid view. There's so many nice things are there in creating a plan as well. So that's how we create a plan using premium features. Now, if you want to manually create one also is very easy. You can just simply click on basic and the same steps to be followed. Or you can simply click on premium and the same steps to be followed. But with premium, you will get all the premium features from the planner that are offered for project management and portfolio planning. So that's about it. Now let's see Copilot. What is Copilot? You already know Copilot is a chat support bot that has been built by Microsoft. It provides all the information that you would need if within the Microsoft ecosystem and from outside as well. Sometimes you can prompt it with questions that you need for the planner and it will come back with all the answers. You can also, if let us say you want to create something with Copilot, it will allow you to create things. As you can see here, you want to understand something, you want to learn something. You can just simply click on understand and then ask them a question. They will give you that. Let us say you want to edit something. You can ask Copilot to edit it for you. And you can always ask questions and then of course, you can close the Copilot out if you don't want to use it, but it's an excellent thing to use. Later, my partner will cover more about it. I would also like to touch upon the filters. Let's go back to the board view and use various filters that are available. Again, one deep customization that Planner offers in the premium features. You can use the filter based on so many things that are available under the filter. And then you can view the tasks based on that filter. And if you want to clear, you can just simply say clear all and it will clear all of them. Now, buckets. Let us say you want to group the tasks by just buckets. So you want to group them by various categories that are available here. Just click on this down arrow button over here. It will drop down a menu and you can select based on what you want to bucket them. So group them. So now we have grouped them based on assigned to. So these are tasks assigned to Hetal only, like how we saw over here in people. Similarly, now you can see the tasks that are assigned only to that person. All right, now let us say progress. Based on the progress, if you want to see the buckets, it will show you here all the tasks only based on not started, in progress, and completed. Now let us say you want to see similarly, if you want to see it based on priority. So it will show you all the tasks based on priority. There's no urgent task as of now. There are important, medium, and low ones. And if you want to just do it bucket wise, you can go back here and you can see all your buckets. So this brings us to the end of our Microsoft Planner demo. And whatever features needed to be covered have been covered over here. Whatever functionalities we needed to see have been done over here. The comparison between Planner Basic and Planner Premium, we have already touched a little bit upon it while doing the demo. More of it will be explained in the next session. So we can go ahead and look forward to the next video that will come up very soon. All right, and thank you so much for watching through. This is the Microsoft Planner demo with premium features and with basic features both, as facilitated by Team GLMS. This is fully owned by GLMS Private Limited, Australia. By training